In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your missing 1095A e-file reject in Turbotax for the year 2024. If you've tried submitting your taxes using Turbotax and encountered a file rejection due to a missing 1095A form, don't worry. This quick walkthrough will guide you through fixing it and you'll be back on track in no time. Let's begin by accessing the Turbotax official site. If you haven't already, open your browser and head over to Turbotax's website. It's vital to be on the official site to ensure the process is seamless and secure. Once you're on the Turbotax homepage, the next step is to click on the Sign In button. You'll find this option on the top right corner of the page. Clicking here will lead you to a page where you'll need to enter your login details. If you've saved your passwords in your browser, this should be a breeze. Otherwise, ensure you remember your login credentials to get started. Once you are signed in, you'll be directed to your Turbotax homepage. This page is like your control center for filing taxes. Every major operation you'll need to perform happens here. Now locate and click on the Federal tab. This tab is typically aligned on the left side of your screen and is key for anything related to federal tax forms, including our missing 1095A. After you click on the Federal tab, the screen will display a menu for various aspects of your federal taxes. Here's where you will want to click on Deductions and Credits. This section is essential as it encompasses not just deductions, but the medical tax information we're correcting. In the search bar of the Deductions and Credits section, type in 1095. Using this keyword will yield the relevant results necessary for fixing your issue. Subsequently, click on Medical from the list of options. This will bring you to a section specifically devoted to medical-related tax inputs, including your 1095A form. Next, you'll find the Affordable Care Act Form 195A link. Click on this. The ACA form section is what we'll utilize to rectify your e-file rejection problem. Once selected, go ahead and click the Start button. Doing this initiates the process to review or input your 1095A information. Finally, you'll see the option to enter or correct your Form 1095A data. Make sure you have your physical 1095A form on hand. Verify all the fields and ensure the numbers match exactly what's on your official document. Accuracy is paramount here to avoid any further rejections. And that's it. By following these steps, you will have successfully addressed the missing 1095A issue and should now be cleared to file your taxes. Remember, always double check your entries for accuracy to prevent any future e-file rejections. Thank you for watching, and I hope your tax filing process goes smoothly from here on out.